Inkonzo ebinomunyu yokuzovalelisa uOlorato Mongale obeyisisulu sodlame oluyamene nobulili. Wagcina ukubonakala ehamba nowesilisa obezibiza ngokuthi uJohn, emva kwalokho watholakala eseshonile.
Indeed, it has now come to our knowledge that Phila Ngenkosi is the John that we have been looking for.
Umsolwa obezibiza ngoJohn nokunguphila ngenkosi Makhanya udutshulwe wabulawa ngamaphoyisa ngoLwesihlanu. Umama kaOlorato uthi ingane yakhe ilwile ngaphambi kokuthi bayibulale.
I know how she's a fighter. Ha ke mo bona go government mortuary. I could see ho ngwana ke ulwane. Ha gona mana re skala scam a ikopela skala mpolate. Ulwane o kgaogile le manala. Ona lwana. She fought.
Iphini likangqongqoshe wamaphoyisa linxuse abazali ukuthi bapheze ukuvikela izingane zabo uma zisolwa ngezenzo eziphambene nomthetho.
I want to at this point appeal to you parents and everybody who's in this room. If somebody has done something wrong, please stop shielding them. Because we had to arrest the mother and the father because the mother tipped Makhanya that the police were on our way.
Ukubulawa kaOlorato kuqhakambise ukuthi luselude uhambo okusamele lihanjwe ukulwa nodlame oluyamene nobulili.
It is a loss to the nation. It is a painful reminder of the reality that far too many women and girls in South Africa continue to face a reality marked by vulnerability, violation, and violence.
uOlorato ushiye emhlabeni umama wakhe, umndeni wakhe nabangani bakhe. Ufihlwe emathuneni aseBunsfley eBloemfontein.